and welcome. I'm Solo, and this is ZN Gaming. In this video, I'll be going over how to make a Windows 11 USB install USB drive step by step. And before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. To get started, we're going to need a USB device. At least 8 gigs or bigger is recommended, just to make sure that it's got enough space to hold the full install for Windows 11. One thing I like to do when I get a new USB device is to right click on it and give it a format and name it. You can just click start and it should just do a quick format. Once you know you have a USB drive at the recommended size, next we're going to need to download the Windows Media Creation tool itself from the Microsoft website. To get this, we can just jump over to Microsoft.com and it should be in the software downloads. I'll make sure to leave a link to everything you're going to need in the description below. But once you're on this here page, you should be able to just scroll down to where it says Create Windows 11 Install Media, and it's going to have a download now. Now you don't want the assistant and you don't want the download for the disk image. You definitely want the install media, and just give it a click and download. This should only take a few minutes to download. Just give the download now a click. It should only take a few minutes. Once it's downloaded, we can just open our downloads, and once we give it a click, we can just click yes to allow it. After a few minutes, it should have a pop-up that says Windows 11 setup. Here, we're just going to have to decline or accept. If you decline, you're obviously not going to get it to work. We're just going to click accept. Now it's going to get ready. This is going to take a few minutes and check for the newest drivers. It's going to come up with a couple of options here. It's going to have this here, use the recommended options for this PC. So if you're using this for this PC, this is fine. I actually recommend to uncheck this here and just get the Windows 11 generic for Home Edition. This is fine, and you don't want it to be tailored just to your PC, just in case you happen to make hardware or software changes to anything. After that, just click next again. Now this is just going to say the same thing I already said. Use the USB drive, needs at least 8 gigs or better. This is the one we want to click, and then just click next. Then we know that our USB drive is EGG. Now we want to make sure that we're using a USB drive that is empty, because once we click on this here, it's going to format it and it's going to wipe everything that's already on the drive. So at this here point, before you move forward, make sure that your drive has nothing on it that's important, because again, this is going to erase everything. Make sure this is the correct drive, your removable drive, and then click next on it. To solve this here problem, you can go to this here PC. You'll be able to go into your drive and you can format it and name it so that you know which one is correct if you have more than one. But this here should be fine. We're just going to select it and click next. Now this is going to take quite a while, because this is going to download the Windows 11 plus all of the updates. So depending on your internet speed, this can actually take quite a while. After that, it should say that your USB flash drive is ready. At this here point, if you go and click on it and check, it should say ESD USB drive. So if you see this here, you'll know that it's completed the process and that it has Windows on it. All we're going to need to do is click finish. If it shows all that, it should be a good sign and everything went correct. Now all we're going to need to do is restart the computer. We're going to need to boot into the BIOS, and we most likely need to go and change the boot order so that we boot to the USB drive first, and we're going to need to restart the computer, boot from the USB drive to start the install process. But I just wanted to go over how to actually make the USB drive itself. So this is just going to be a short video. I'm not going to go over the full Windows install. That's just how to make the USB drive. You should be able to take it from here. It's pretty straightforward once you get it to boot up. And once the install process goes, you just have to read it and go next, 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 next. But that's it for this one here. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye!